Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Subnautica 2 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable or turn off the object highlight option within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Subnautica 2 on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, you can either continue playing from wherever you last left off, or you may click on settings directly. Now within the settings page, you will find various options, including accessibility at the top section. Go ahead and click on it. And now you will see various settings, including outline at the very end. If you turn this on, then you will see an outline or highlight around interactive objects, which will make it easier for you to spot them. If you want to turn it off, simply click on the off toggle, and then you can go back to save your changes. After this, you can continue to play your game, and your object outline setting will be applied. You can change this at any point of time by once again following the same steps, going into settings and then accessibility. So there you have it. That is how you can turn off object outlining or highlighting on the Subnautica 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.